Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about network marketing success tips strategies for beginners. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. How to build a network marketing business quickly. Learn how to grow your network fast. The number of network marketing success tips for beginners varies from person to person. You are probably seeking some guidance on how to build a network marketing business quickly. The right answers will take you one step closer to achieving your goal of making money online. And that goal is very important. By now, you already understand that network marketing is a new way of making money. It has the potential to be one of the best ways to earn an income, the one with the potential to keep you busy and get you excited. In the internet marketing industry, we call this as internet marketing. The best way to get started is to choose a product or service that appeals to you and makes you think of it. Only then, you can start exploring your product. When you find something that interests you, you can now start building your network, expanding your product and finding new people that you can sell to. Network marketing was invented by Warren Buffett. It is a very easy and inexpensive way to sell products, promote yourself and gain clients. How to build a network marketing business quickly is a hot topic. People know it can be a very lucrative business if you know what you are doing. Network marketing can be as simple as your old friends like writing and selling articles on the internet. They will give you the guidelines for setting up your own website, the means to advertise online and how to set up a team to help you promote your products. You can become the internet marketing guru and start selling your own products right away with just a few clicks. In the early days, most of the affiliate marketing systems used flash banners that they sell in flash-packed products. Which was easier to install, but the effort was small. Today, many companies use a bigger system that is capable of displaying lots of different ads on one page. The popularity of the more successful internet marketers has made it easier to grow a full-time business on your own. However, there are still things that you can learn to make your life easier. It is only a matter of time before you start getting lots of referrals and you start adding a few new products to your already established business. When you are ready to grow your network, you can begin marketing other products. When you find out the right products, the only thing left is to be ready to give up your passive income. The initial investment will be very high, but when the product sells well, you will save a lot of money. Your income will eventually pay back all your initial money. While you learn how to make money in affiliate programs, your competition is gaining ground. You need to stay on top of your game. Another point that needs to be considered when learning how to build a network marketing business quickly is to work hard at your daily schedule to make your business more profitable. It is important to set aside time to monitor the trends in the market. If you are looking for a new product to promote, it is important to set up a subscription for a newsletter or join a webinar. Both of these methods are very effective ways to get traffic to your website. When you put up your products for sale, you can make a lot of money. While it is easy to get started with only a few products, be sure to make a few products to build your business. Network marketing strategies for beginners – one of the most effective strategies for beginners. Today's network marketing strategies for beginners can be tailored to anyone who is willing to work hard and have the right attitude. Why is this so? With most starting out in this industry with a mindset of how to fail, it is absolutely critical to have a "you are right now" mindset. There are no winners in this business. With a mindset that if you don't think you will succeed, then you won't, then the odds are that you will never succeed. If you do succeed, then that's great, however, it's still your attitude that counts. Those are network marketing success secrets that will work for anyone who has the right attitude. The most network marketing success secrets for beginners include being aware of the need to be accountable for your actions. Many people out there that are new to this industry are so dedicated to the success of their business that they feel that they are in control of their business. They see success as something that they create and not a result of the actions that they take. How do you think the sales for your company are going to increase with this mindset? Network marketing tips for beginners that the top executives of most companies employ include the concept of self-efficacy. As the CEO or COO of your business, the right mindset for you to be the success of your company is to always seek to self-perfection. When it comes to promoting your business and in your advertising efforts, you must seek to increase the odds of your potential customers and prospects being exposed to your company. Seek to continually meet and exceed your own expectations and you will be successful. You are going to have to continuously recruit salespeople, and this means that you have to reach out to the prospects and introduce your company and products. How do you do this? With a network marketing strategy that focuses on building your team of agents, you are going to have to consistently attract new people who want to join your network marketing team. Be the best that you can be, as you continuously strive to meet and exceed your own potentials. Not only will this keep you the best network marketing strategies for beginners, but it will also help you avoid the other common misconceptions that have become associated with network marketing. These include under-promoting your company, or you are being lazy and not really caring about your business, or the potential for the success of your company. When you promote your business, be professional and impressive to attract more people to join your team. Think about how you have learned the most successful strategies for beginners, such as how to build a network marketing business quickly. You may have started out by doing nothing and outsource the service to others. While this is probably not the best way to become successful, you have also learned about networking and the bottom line that it takes to get people to see your business and to become involved. The first thing that you need to learn is to not be afraid to ask questions. Ask your contacts to have someone who knows what they are talking about tell you what it is that they are selling or recommending and see what they recommend. You are going to need to have open minds about the products that you are selling or recommending and other companies. You have to be willing to make some choices to succeed in this business. One of the most effective ways to learn more about how to build a network marketing business quickly is to use the internet. You need to learn the concepts that you need to know in order to be successful. There are many learning resources that will teach you how to be successful online. And it's free. If you decide to learn about network marketing, then you have to learn the basics first, and you can take the time to become aware of all the different strategies that are out there. In order to be successful. To have a successful at it. How to build a network marketing business easy. All network marketers do the same things, but how to build a network marketing business quickly is different for everyone. The strategies for beginners are very simple. A key to quick success in MLM is knowing your prospects and getting to know their needs and wants. Creating a network marketing solution is easy, but when you build a network marketing business, you have to go where the real action is. Join a favorite online forum. This is an excellent way to become familiar with all of the details of internet marketing, as well as to listen to helpful advice. You will also be able to communicate with many others in your field and learn more from their experiences. The second element of network marketing success tips is to understand the art of convincing others to do what you want. With others, you can build trust quickly. Talk with others. You don't have to give your secrets away right away, but it is crucial to building a personal relationship with others. Get the word out. This is critical to building a personal relationship. Make sure that you build an internet presence for yourself and then share it with others. The more you share with others, the more people will know who you are. Learn the art of network marketing success secrets is easy to learn because it is a step-by-step guide that will guide you through the course. The guide is easy to understand and it provides the information that you need to grow a fast and profitable network marketing business. Why do people get network marketing success secrets so easily? It's because they are on the same page with one another, which builds trust, their view of the information is the same and their needs are aligned. The art of building a network marketing business is easy to learn. Everyone who believes in the marketing of their product can simply take the Network Marketing Secrets Guide and read it over. This is why many of the successful entrepreneurs have done the same. The network marketing tips for beginners are easy to read and understand. Most people can get started with their business in their own home. The Network Marketing Success Secrets Guide will take them through the process of setting up a website for the business and then will offer the necessary tools to get started. Most people can start a business in their own home with very little help. The network marketing tips for beginners will give the step-by-step process to how to get started and will be of great assistance. This is a proven system that has been successfully used by countless people. Learning the basics will get you started on the right foot, right away. A key to a successful business is knowing how to find people who are already making money and targeting them to begin a network marketing business. The network marketing tips for beginners will teach you exactly how to start networking with other people. You can learn to write a successful business plan. You can learn to reach your audience. The Network Marketing Success Secrets will show you exactly how to get to know people. The process of building relationships can be very easy to learn but is a very difficult task to accomplish. Anyone can learn the art of network marketing and build a business, but it takes some hard work and dedication. How to build a network marketing business quickly. Network marketing is fast growing all over the world. This is all due to the rise in internet marketing. You can be making a nice income in network marketing with your own blog and website, and it's not too hard to start. Most of the key elements are to promote your products and services. There are different types of marketing strategies. For most network marketers, the first way to succeed is by participating in the online industry. When you're marketing your product or service on the internet, be careful because the competition can be fierce. Network marketing experts say that you should start out slowly as you'll only get started if you build a strong connection with the public. It's not uncommon for a network to start out as a guest in someone's network, and after about 6 months, it's possible to become a network leader. How to build a network marketing business quickly. Here are 2 of the top ways to do it. One of the best ways to build a fast-growing network is to start with a lot of people. An online networker's mantra is to be an attention magnet. Most people will approach you for information, and when you start engaging with them in a way that they find interesting, you'll find your attention is likely to be focused on them. Network marketers can help you build a lot of relationships online. The process is to give others what they need and, more importantly, give people what they want. Many successful internet marketers have discovered how to build a list of people who are interested in the products and services they offer. People will have free products or links to things they can purchase. This leads to more sales and more profit. There are many different items of necessary ingredients in order to build a successful business. Some of these are building your list, contacting potential customers, gaining connections and information. The following are the top 4 ways to build a successful online business. One of the ways to build a list is to have sales letters sent to people. Sales letters are unique because they stand out. They're handwritten and give a personal touch. One of the ways to build a network marketing business quickly is to go online and go through their list. That way, you're in constant contact with them. The biggest mistake people make is to simply log on and start marketing. This creates too much of a distraction, which will interfere with you working on the product. The secret to getting in contact with the people who are interested in your product or service is to learn the correct keywords to use to connect with people. You'll be amazed at how many people use it and how quickly it works. By applying these 4 secret network marketing tips for beginners, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching my video about network marketing success tips strategies for beginners. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.